Time directs our lives. It regulates all our activities. We think that in the race against time, information is our only salvation. But time always wins. And the overdose of information no longer works. We are following the same mechanical and dead time. As creative beings, we then pursue free time, a free time we immediately consume. A free time that becomes more expensive by the day. We are following a time that has no meaning. A time that is an illusion. Following a life that has no meaning. Maybe, a life that is also an illusion. But what if there was another time? What if there was another idea of time? Operative traditions invite you to master time. These 4 volumes, written by Miguel A. Fernandez, propose a pathway that restores the creative power of human senses. Volume 1 exposes the magical aspects of technique, showing how time is artistically expressed in our skills. It shows that time is like an arrow that has a meaning. This meaning allows us to understand, in Volume 2, that our actions are determined by the same powers that transformed the earth, and that only by overcoming modern beliefs we can return to a harmonic relation to the earth. Volume 3 deeply penetrates into the mysteries of time. Also, is recovered from ancient times an alchemical notion of work, opus, that allows human participation in the creative powers of nature. This approach recovers all the potentials of craft, art and science. Volume 4 exposes how the earth evolves in time and conforms to architectural power. That nature fulfills a symbolic goal that provides a new vision of the universe. This volume presents a revolutionary conception on architecture, as a practice that allows human participation in the symbolic meaning of the earth. Human salvation is only possible if the spirit of the earth is also saved, and if the creative potentials of all beings are also restored. These potentials build a new culture, create a new type of humanity and allow enlightening the life of the earth.